Hello guys and welcome to the Photofox channel. In this video I'll show you how to create a beautiful logo using grid system and shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button on this video. Let's go! First of all, you need to create a new document, so press New File and fill out these fields. I'll leave it 1000 by 1000 pixels. What about color mode? It needs to be RGB, but if you want to print your logo, please select CMYK. Also, if you need to print your logo, choose raster effects 300 ppi. Or if you'll use to your logo type some effects, raster effects like drop shadow, outer glow or etc. I'll leave it screen 72 ppi because I'll use my logo type only for web. After that, press Create button and set up your document. Go to the upper right corner and select Essentials Classic. For the next step, go to the View, scroll down and enable Show Grid. And again, go to the View, scroll down, check that you've enabled Snap to Grid and disable Snap to Pixel. Also, be sure that you've enabled Snap to Point. Okay, for the next step we need to upload our sketch of the logo. I've already have it on my PC, so go to the File, Place and select my logo type. Double-click and after that you need just one click and your logo will be pasted. At the next step you need to resize your logo type. Press Option and Shift key or just Shift key, whatever you like. Decrease the opacity to 50 and place your logo type like this. In my opinion, will be good if your space between letters will be like one square. So I need to resize my logo type a little bit more, like that. Yeah, okay. And our next step is embedding image. So go to the Embed, lock our image, press Command 2. If I'm telling you that you need to click Command, please click Ctrl if you're using a PC, not a Mac. If I'm telling you that you need to click Option, but you're using a PC, please click Alt, okay? Next step, lock our image, Ctrl or Command 2. After that, you need to create a grid, so select Line Segment tool, disable Fill, enable Stroke, with 1 pt of weight, and after that you need to create diagonal lines. Go to the left upper corner, click and hold left mouse button, press and hold your Shift key on keyboard and go to the right corner. OK. After that you need to duplicate your line to the left and to the right. Press V on your keyboard, press Option and duplicate it. After you copy your line, press Command D or Ctrl D to duplicate it several times. OK, for the next step you need to duplicate your central line to the right. Click on central line, press Option, duplicate it to the right, OK, and press Ctrl D. OK, at the next we need to group it and rotate it to the right side. Select all lines, press Command G to group it, then you need to press Command C to copy and Command F to paste on the front. For the next step, choose your selection tool, it's V on your keyboard, go to the right corner, find this small rotation icon, press and hold your left mouse button and hold your Shift key on keyboard. You need to rotate it twice. At the final result you'll see the grid like this, from little squares. Now we need to create a straight vertical lines, so we select Line Segment tool. We need to find intersection of our grids, like here. But first of all, you need to disable your grid snapping. So go to the View and disable Snap to Grid. It's very important. OK, for now, you need to go like here on the intersection, press and hold your Option key, hold your Shift key on keyboard and create a vertical line. At this moment, you need to duplicate your line to the right side. Press Alt key and duplicate it to the right side. Be sure that you place your line at the intersection, like me here. This is good, this is not good, okay? Now you need to select all your lines. You can disable your grid, View, disable grid, hide grid, and copy your grid. press Option and duplicate it to the other side. It can be useful if you try to remake your logo or creating something new, or you want to use this grid for another projects or etc. Then you need to select all your grid, press Shift M on your keyboard, disable stroke color and enable fill color. I'll use black color. And all's done. After that you need to draw your logotype shape. I'll begin drawing from this corner, press and hold your left mouse button, and when you're done, just release it. Okay, if you'll make a mistake, don't worry, press Command Z to remove your operation. If you want to create a separate object, not an union one, so press left mouse button, draw, but don't unite these two pieces. Don't make operation like this. In my situation, I need the form union, so I'll draw it from this point to another. At this moment we have two blocks here, all looks fine, and now I have two opportunities. I can check my bottom part of logotype, select it, duplicate it to the top, so I need to select Direct Selection tool, press Option key, go to the top, then I need to reflect it horizontal and vertical. After that I'll have this same part of my logotype, I can go to the down, I can change the position, etc. At this moment I understand that I don't need to waste my time to draw this top bottom of my logotype, because this and this are the same parts. So I need just place my logotype like this, and after that I can select my top part of logotype, my bottom part, using Shift key. So I click on the top, press Shift, click on the bottom and drag and drop this to the down. Okay, this is my logotype. After that, I need to refine my edges, refine my corners, because you can see that at this corner and at this corner I have rounded edges. So I need to select them, use my Direct Selection tool, click on this part, click Shift and click to another part. After that I need to find this small corner widget and round this. Okay, for this moment I like my logotype, but I need to create a small presentation of it. So I'll use Artboard tool to create a new artboard. You need to press Shift plus O on your keyboard, here's the tool. After that you need to draw your artboard, and if you want to create artboard with custom value, you need to go to the top and input your value on the top menu, 2000 by 2000 pixels. Okay, for the next step I need to draw a background of my logotype, so I press M to select rectangle tool, disable my stroke color, and I need to change my fill color. Double click on it, I want it to be blue or something like that. Okay, then I need to drag it to the another corner. Okay, Command 2 to lock this layer, to lock this object. After that I need to select my logotype, Command G to group it, and I need to align this logotype to my artboard. So I click here and here. After that I need to change the color of logotype. I'm going to fill color, choose white and disable my stroke color. Okay, at this moment I didn't see my logotype, because it's placed behind the background. I need to pull it up, so I press Command, Shift and close bracket key. If you don't know or don't understand how it works, go to the layers, select your background and just drop it to the down, or select your logotype and drag it to the up, like here. Down and up. Okay, for the next step I need to add some text to my logotype, because at this moment it didn't look so cool. I need to rescale my logotype, press Shift, rescale it, click T on my keyboard, click left mouse button and type a text like Soulmaze. Press Escape, change the fill color to white, rescale it using Shift key and left mouse button. I need to change my font, so go to the character panel. If you don't have it, you can find the character panel at the window menu. I'll find it at the properties menu, and I need to find something like abolition. Okay, rescale it. And at this moment I understand that I need to align my text to the logotype. Click on my text, click Shift key, click on my logotype, release Shift key and again click to the logotype. Align it vertical, Okay, go a little bit up. And after that I need to add some descriptor to the logotype. So I press Option key, duplicate it to the down, write some text like design. Then I need to align it to the center in paragraph section. I need to change the text to Montserrat Light. Okay, text needs to be with caps. After that I need to align it to the Sol Maze, like previous ones. Change the size. Go down a little bit. And I need to add some decorative elements, like these small lines. Okay, I need to increase the value of stroke to 5 pt. Okay, it needs to be the same or almost the same like my descriptor. Now it's fine. Then I need to press Option key and duplicate it to the right. Okay, at this moment I need to select my logotype, press Command G. I need to check that my logotype centered correctly, so I need to press vertical and horizontal alignment. Okay. For the next step I need to save my work, so I go to the File, Save As. If I want to redo my work or I want to edit it in the future, I need to choose Format Adobe Illustrator IE. If I want to print my logotype, I'll choose Adobe PDF. Also, if I need to save my work to publish it at the internet, go to the File, Export, Export for Screens. Select Export to, deselect my first artboard and select my second artboard with final logotype. I need to select Scale, remove the suffix and press Export Artboard. All done. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the like button. I hope I see you soon on the next video. Goodbye.